Alright, boss, the last shipment of weapons have just been completed, boss. Very good. Once we finally ship out all those weapons, we'll be the powerful, richest crime gang of Gotham City, and nothing will stop our gang once we take over Gotham City forever. And everything is going exactly as planned. Hey guys, I heard you need my help. Or I meant us, exactly. So, Black Canary, what's the plan exactly how we're gonna take down Black Mask and his gang? Any ideas? Well, the idea is Catwoman and Huntress. We have to be breaking into Black Mask's office. Once we do that, we'll take him out and the rest of his henchmen out. Alright, ladies, let's do this. It's over, Black Mask. Stop this madness of selling illegal weapons. Yeah, this has to stop. Or else we're gonna have to make you stop. And stop this weapon dealing business you've organised crime you've been doing, Black Mask. And especially, you're not getting away with it. Well, isn't it the birds of prey? Black Canary and Huntress and Catwoman. You all believe you could take me down. Give it your fair shot. Kill them, men. It's over, Black Mask. It looks like your days of selling illegal weapons is over. Have fun being locked up back behind bars in your prison cell in Arkham Asylum or Blackgate Prison, Black Mask. You're all going to pay for this, Black Canary and Catwoman and Huntress, because if you all didn't stop me, I would have killed you all. And I would have gotten away with my weapon deals. Yeah, no thanks. We're not dying today. It looks like we brought you to justice. Have fun in Blackgate Prison, Black Mask.